Hello, I am Ronit. In this video, I will be showing how our bug tracking system, that is Dr.Bug, works. From reporting a bug to chatting with our AI technician for quick solution, step-by-step guidance for solving that bug problem. We can solve more or less every kind of bug. And let's dive in and see how simple and seamless the whole process is. So this is Dr.Bug. Here you can diagnose, track or fix more or less any kind of bug depending on operating system configuration and the program or software we are using. So in most cases, when developers or users face an issue, they either search online or ask an AI tool for help. But problem is that these answers are often generic or disconnected from our actual project. So here is the gap where Dr.Bug plays an important role to bridge that gap. So we can see that we can see a demo here, like we are providing a bug that VS Code integrated terminal has stopped echoing. So it is processing its next question or full solution. So it is asking me what operating system I am using. I am using Windows 11. I'll provide the data to the AI technician. It will then ask me the follow-up questions. So it is asking me what integrated terminal I am using. Is it PowerShell, command prompt or git bash? I am using PowerShell. It will keep me asking the follow-up questions until it has satisfied taking the whole information for that bug, and then it will give me the fixes. So the problem is occurring only in the VS Code terminal, integrated terminal. It is asking me what command I am using. So I am using npm run dev, or I can provide any kind of data I want. So it is processing its next follow-up question or the solution. Yes, it has started giving me basic solutions initially. Now the system is designed in such a way that if the current fix doesn't work, it will refeed its whole chat history and all the data provided to the AI technician. Again, it will then generate based on those provided data the next fix. This works recursively until the bug gets fixed. This is the breakthrough of our system Dr.Bug, that other internet sources or any kind of sources doesn't bridge that gap. Here Dr.Bug helps us provide specialized answers and solutions based on every step and every problems we are facing. But this doesn't help in a generic answer provided by any kind of AI tool or just Google search. So it has asked me to search for the PowerShell version table. Yes, it is showing. Now it has given the next follow-up question. We have after trying that fix, after checking that version, we have provided the information that we got from the terminal. Now it is processing. It has asked to disable all the VS Code extensions and then check if that dev server is running or not. For now, I am asking that technician that my bug is solved, and now it will process a bug analysis summary where the issue will be mentioned and all the data, all the steps that will be mentioned in this summary. And now this is helpful for our future use cases, like if we face that bug again, we can revisit this bug analysis summary and help ourselves fix that bug again. and it is specialized or it is engineered in such a way that it will just answer only from the bug or computer system domain only. We have feature of input in voice through voice, and we can also attach images or videos of that bug, such that like we are facing such a bug that cannot be written.
You're welcome. Glad we got it sorted. If any issues pop up again or you need help identifying the conflicting extension, feel free to
So this
share
was
more
the read
details.
aloud feature, that it will read aloud the current fix or current follow-up question that is it is giving me. Now this is the new bug report window. Here you can list new reports, and we can log out and log in with guests, admin, and we can implement this whole Dr.Bug in any kind of projects or teamworks. So this is helpful in many ways. In short, a bug tracking system is built to make debugging smarter, faster, and more interactive. In future updates, we can make this system more interactive, multilingual, or any kind of feature we can add to it, and we can implement this in any kind of projects or a framework that it will automate the debugging system. So this will be a great achievement in solving or bridging that gap that generic answers can't do in today's world. Thank you for watching this demo.